today I will be doing that thing I really don't like doing, cooking. So you might be wondering what these are. They are portion pots that came with my Rosemary Conley book. I'm not sure if she still does them. If you're interested, it's always worth inquiring. Or the alternative is you can find like for like. So, for example, this little shot glass, see there's other uses for shot glasses, that fits in here. And it weighs 49 grams. This 101 grams. The red pot 199 grams. Green pot 237. So that's just a rough idea if you want to work out about the portion pots. It's so easy to just pile things on your plate and not think about it. But if you can find a way of doing portions, maybe just household items, even just pop down to the shops and get some plastic containers that might have similar weight. So if you weigh out some rice to those measurements, you'll know they're similar. And then you just use them for portion pots with your food. I'll show you that in a bit. Right, I'm hungry. It's lunchtime. So I'm having a curry, I'm having a treat. So this is the green portion pot with some rice, and the yellow one with the sauce. Yum. One thing to point out is I've put it on a small plate. Then it just looks like more, and it's psychological. If you put it on a big plate, it makes you want to eat more because your plate looks empty. Bon appetit. I've just parboiled some chips and I'm going to put them in my air fryer. So they're in the air fryer and I'm going to just spray some oil, a little bit of oil on them and a little bit of salt. This is just a spray oil. It's got olive oil in it and I'm going to spray it on my chips. A little shake. Add some salt. And have a shake. Pop it in my machine. And set it to chips. And that will take 18 minutes. And there you are. Chips without all the tons of calories. That's going to go down well. And a nice fruit salad for afters with a dollop of low-fat Greek yogurt. Now I'm going to make some chili con carne for husband when he comes home from work. The reason I'm making chili con carne is because I don't know why, but so many people add oil to the mince when they're browning it. I never add oil because so much comes out of it. Let's have a look. So what I'm going to do next is sieve the mince. Okay. I'm draining the oil. Probably not the best idea to do it over the stove, but anyway. So just look at all the oil that's come off the mince. So if you want to do anything with the oil, then you've got the option to fry the onions. Nice hot pan. Still a little bit of oil left in the pan, so I'll just add the onions. You can always add a little bit more. Not too much though. Peppers. Let's soften the peppers whilst continuing to brown the onions. In a moment I'm going to add garlic, but here's a little nifty trick. See that little white bit in the middle? If you take that out, you won't have stinky garlic breath. So you can always make your exotic dishes on Valentine's Day with no repercussions. Garlic is so fiddly, I'm a bit cat-handed at this. But if you don't want to upset your workmates the next day, then it's a good idea to take this bit out. Still tastes as good. Trying not to chop my fingers off. Because you know I don't like cooking, so therefore, obviously I'm not a professional chef. Now I'm going to pour in some tinned tomatoes and a tablespoon of chili powder, salt, not too much, give it a good stir, add the mince back in. Just bring it up to boil and turn it right down and simmer for 1 hour. And so I'll ask Alexa to do an hour's timing. Alexa, set 1 hour timer.
1 hour, starting now.
And there you have it, homemade chili con carne without so much fat. If you made it this far, well done. You made it to the end of the video. Just a couple of apologies. Sorry for the focus problems with the garlic. You might also notice my deliberate mistake. When I put the ingredients for the chili up, there are a lot more than I actually put in the cooking. As I say, you know I don't like cooking. But the funny thing is, my husband said that was his new favourite. So it can't have been that bad. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ding the notification bell. Any comments, please, I need your encouragement. And if you have anything you want to say, keep it positive. Yeah, just thank you for watching. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, like, subscribe, ding the bell. This is what Phoebe eats. It's a raw food diet. It's very good for her. It has given her a really silky coat and she's full of bounce. And we're going to chop it up and put it in her greedy bowl because she wolfs down her food. So this is just to slow her down. And this is packets that it comes in. Keep it in the freezer until you need to use it. Yum, yum. And it looks like you could actually turn it into burgers, but yuck, I don't know. I wouldn't try it.